Secret messages or facts about logos. Fact number 1, Beats. The logo for Beats by Dre is pretty simple. The B is enclosed in a circle followed by the brand name. Fact number 2, Amazon. Amazon is a powerhouse when it comes to online shopping. Their logo reflects that. The yellow arrow in their logo starts at the letter A and ends at the letter Z, implying that they sell everything from A to Z. The arrow also represents a smile, with the arrowhead being a stylized dimple or smile line. The smile indicates the happiness people feel when they shop with Amazon. Fact number 3, Baskin Robbins. Baskin Robbins is known for its seemingly limitless flavors of ice cream. That famous number is hidden in the B and R of their logo, acting as the curve of the B and the stem of the R. The logo represents fun and energy, much like how you'll feel during and after eating their ice cream. Fact number 4, Roxy. Roxy is Quicksilver's female clothing line. To appeal to their female audience, they use a heart as their logo, drawing inspiration from the feminine shape. And it's not an ordinary heart, it's actually two Quicksilver logos turned on their ends. Fact number 5, Picasa. Picasa, Google's former image organizer and editor, has an interesting logo mark. At first glance, it looks like a simple camera shutter, but the negative space in the center of the shutter actually forms a house. This is because Picasa is considered home for all of your photos, and casa in Spanish means home. Fact number 6, Vaio. Sony Vaio, aka Visual Audio Intelligent Organizer, is known worldwide for its technology, but not everyone knows the meaning behind its logo. Vaio represents the integration of both analog and digital technologies in its products. The letters VA are made to look like an analog wave, while the IO resemble the numbers 1 and 0, representing a digital signal or binary code. Fact number 7, MyFonts. MyFonts is an online font resource allowing users to access a number of fonts. The My in MyFonts is stylized to look like a hand, giving the impression that users can get their hands on whatever fonts they like. Fact number 8, Green Labs. Green Labs, a digital marketing and web solutions company, uses a tree as their logo. This accentuates the green aspects of their brand, but what about the labs? The crown of the tree is actually a brain, which represents the intelligence of their staff. Fact number 9, Bird Love. This logo for a Vietnamese coffee shop is very simple. Its black and white typeface is a classic serif and the heart symbol is clean. This reflects the integrity of the brand and its dedication to classic Vietnamese coffee, as well as their love and passion for it. Hidden away in the heart are two flying birds bringing in its namesake. Fact number 10, GameCube. GameCube's logo is very interesting to look at, and for good reason. Not only it is a cube within a cube, but the outer cube forms a G around the inner cube, leaving a C in the negative space. Fact number 11, LG. LG is recognized worldwide, and most people recognize the L and G in the logo mark. What most people don't realize though is that those letters are actually help to create a face. The L makes the nose and the G makes up the rest of the face. This gives the brand a human element and makes it more inviting and approachable. Fact number 12, FedEx. FedEx is an incredibly popular shipping company, and its logo is plastered on trucks and planes all over. While there isn't anything incredibly groundbreaking in the colors or simple type, there is a hidden gem in there. Have you ever noticed the arrow hidden in the negative space between the E and X? The arrow represents the idea of moving forward with speed, much like the FedEx brand. Fact number 13, Unilever. Unilever makes a ton of products, and to showcase that, they created a U out of a variety of icons symbolizing some of their core products. It is a fun way to show they have their hands in a variety of areas and gives the viewer something to piece together. Fact number 14. Toyota. Toyota's current logo has been announced since 1990. The popular car manufacturers, their overlapping rings symbolize the unification of the hearts of Toyota customers and Toyota's products. The background space represents their technological advancement and the opportunities that lay ahead. Fact number 15. Google. Another incredibly recognizable logo worldwide even after their recent redesign. Google's logo is supposed to symbolize that they don't play by the rules and know how to have fun. Instead of having a crazy font or symbol, they chose to rely their message with color. They stuck with the primary color palette but broke it with a secondary color green. Fact number 16. Pinterest. Pinterest got its namesake from the idea of pinning things you like to on a board. To further the idea of the pin, the P represents a push pin. This brings together the real life aspects of tacking something to your wall and also doing it in the digital age. Fact number 17. Adidas. Adidas is a popular sports apparel and shoe company. 3 strips have always been a part of their logo, but in their most recent redesign, the strips are staggered to look like a mountain. The mountain represents the challenges and obstacles athletes will face and overcome. Fact number 18. IBM. IBM's famous logo is globally recognized. The white strips passing through the letter forms gives the illusion of equal signs in the lower areas of the letters, which represents equality. Fact number 19. Pepsi. In 2008, Pepsi redesigned its logo, which was very similar to the old one. The top half is red, the bottom half is blue, and a wavy white line runs through the center, which looks like a globe, but there is more to it. It is claimed that the new logo represents Earth's magnetic field, Pythagoras, geodynamics, renaissance, and more. In short, it is some kind of Da Vinci Code. Fact number 20. Puma. The logo of sportswear brand Puma has an image of a leaping puma, which is also called a cougar, a panther that is active both day and night and jump up to 20 feet high. By using this symbol, Puma summarized the feature of its product.